Okay, good day to you. Can you please introduce yourself?
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Alma Kinlog, 42 years old, married, and I have 3 kids, boy and girl. Two boy is the older one is 22, and the second one, the girl one is uh, 17, and the younger is 13.
Okay, yes. So, do you have any work experience in abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Which country?
Hong Kong.
Okay, yes. So, how long you've been working in Hong Kong?
6 years.
6 years for one employer?
One employer, ma'am.
Okay, so one employer, street.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes. So, how many members in that family?
3.
3 members. Okay, so they have a kids?
Only one.
Only one kid. So, yes. How old?
The kid is 7-year-old.
Seven,
Now.
7-year-old now. When you
When I arrived there, it's 1-year-old.
1 year old already, right? So, okay. So, the same time you do all around housemaid,
Yes.
right? Okay, can you tell me what is your main duties?
My main duties is household chores, cooking, caring the baby, and uh, all going to school. I send it to school, and then um, everything. If they have a problem, they are going to with the kids.
Okay, yes. So, since you arrived, the kid is only 1 year old. And you staying there for 6 years,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
So, you be the one to look after the kid,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So, the same time you do you do cooking or you do market?
Yes, ma'am. I do market and cooking also.
Okay, so you know very well about Chinese cooking.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what kind of Chinese cooking?
Steamed fish.
Uh-huh.
The other one is fried 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 vegetables, and then the other one is like pork pork ribs adobo, like that.
Uh-huh. Stew pork.
Stew pork.
What about the soup?
And the soup is a beef soup. That is the favorite of my employer.
Okay. So you know how to speak Cantonese language?
No, not really.
Not really. So just busy.
Just, yeah.
Okay, yes, since you have been experienced for a baby, so look after a baby. So of course, are you capable to look after a newborn or young child?
Yes, yes.
Okay, yes. So then, can you tell me how the way you taking care baby or young child?
Yeah, first day of my employer, to take care of the kid is ada yung baby is to going to clean the bottles, and then taking no, I didn't the one to take a bath for the kid, and the food I'm the one to prepare, and then the cleaning the body, or anything if they have sick, I told them, or anything if my employer told me that you follow this, that.
Yes.
I follow all what she
Yes, obviously because
Yeah.
you've been there for 6 years, right? Yeah, so good relationship
Yes,
for the employer. Okay, so since you arrived there, so you be the one to look after, and you are not able to take a bath for the young child,
Yeah,
the baby.
until I finish the contract.
Until you finish the contract.
Only one time
Oh, I see.
taking
So
a bath
I think
only.
your boss,
Yeah.
your employer want to
They don't want to take care of
yes, when the take a bath.
Yeah, take a bath.
Okay, so okay, yes. So then now, so then for example, if the baby is crying and crying, so what will you do?
I'll check at him what is wrong, or if they are not really really hurt. If I look at him, if it's not really
Feeling well.
serious, I'm going to um, singing, or I'm going to talk to him like kids, like that.
Yes.
And then or I sing him a lullaby, like kids rhyme like that.
Yes, that if there is something wrong, so maybe that is not feeling well, so what will you do?
I call first my mom, and then
Yes.
I follow what is her instruction.
Yes, to inform immediately to your boss that the baby is not feeling well, and of course you wait the instruction or you give a first aid, and of course you rush to the hospital if needed.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you sing a song on nursery rhymes? Okay,
Like,
go on.
the wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Thank you very much about that. Okay then, so yes, so why you want to go to work again in Hong Kong?
I want to work again because I have needs for my kids.
Mhm.
And then also, I miss also Hong Kong.
Yes.
But I miss also my country. But I really want to work for my own, for the own goods of my family.
Yes, especially because that the kids is going to
Yeah,
college,
going
so
to
we have to
college.
prioritize about the
Yeah.
future of our children, especially when they go to university. Okay, yes. So then, if you luckily hired in Hong Kong, do you have any message to your future employer?
I hope I hope mom she give me what is that?
Okay, yes.
Like what I'm my old employers
Hire you again.
hire me again if she want it. I accept if she hire me also. If she hire me.
Yes.
And then if they have another employer, I need uh, please don't what's that like because I want be honest. Honestly is the best policy, right?
Yes.
And then,
To promise that you finish your 2 years
yeah.
contract or more, of course.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Hong Kong, they have holidays every week. So then, if your employer requests not Saturday, Sunday holidays, are you willing to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing that no holidays?
Yes, ma'am.
Of course, they give you back. They give you a money back for overtime pay. So at least you can earn more.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And to promise that you cannot ask salary advance from your employer.
Yes, ma'am.
And to promise that you cannot involve in ibang finance in
Yes,
Hong Kong.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, before we end this interview, can you show us your best smile? Thank you.